Omusibe ye kennyini ayagala kubeera ng'ayagala n'omulamuzi mu nsonga ze.
Mr. Kelly, you want to speak to the court?
Yes, my lord.
Please go ahead.
Oh, my lord, I'm not able to continue today, my lord.
Butasobola kubeera nga yeeyongerayo ne kkooti leero.
Would you tell the court why you're not able to proceed with the proceedings today?
Kkooti gibuulire ensonga zo lwaki toyagala kubanga tuyongerayo ne kkooti leero.
I'd like to know why you're not able to proceed so that I'm able to make a decision.
My lord, I'm not feeling well again, my lord.
Gambye nti no tawulira bulungi.
Do you have any specific complaint? Any specific complaint?
Ekyo kyennyini nti kye weerimulugunyaako.
Yes, maybe, I think, my lord.
Okay, could you please go ahead and tell the court that specific complaint?
Eyongeyo maaso tukunnyonnyole kkooti kwemulugunyaako kw'olina.
It's a script, my lord.
It's
a script, my lord.
A script. What did he say? A script.
Yes, my lord. Script. I said script. Script. I'm sorry, my lord.
You're sorry. You don't have to be sorry. I just wanted to know if you have any specific complaint so that I'm able to take a decision whether to give you a break or to proceed. Because I think we were about to finish with this witness. Maybe we can pin him for cross-examination tomorrow. That is why I'm interested in finding out the specific complaint that you have regarding your health. It will inform me on which decision I should take. You want to have some water to drink and then you relax a little bit as we wait here?
No, my lord. No water. Not this time, sir. I mean, my lord. I just think that I'm not prepared enough this evening to continue with the court proceedings, my lord.
You're not prepared.
I'm not prepared. It's a script. It's not going to work. It's already.
Prison.
Let me try to put it this way.
Let me hear from prisons whether we have any health issues with the accused person.
I think I can speak.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening, officer. Let me have your particulars, please.
ASP Hiro Emmanuel.
ASP
Hiro Emmanuel.
Hillary. H-I. Please spell your name.
H-I-R-E.
Okay. I just want to know whether Mr. Okello has any health complaints from the people keeping him. Does he have any health concerns?
Yes, Your Honor. This morning we unlocked 3,101 prisoners at Upper Prison. Per his health, I would request this court to write to the OC Upper Prisons who can respond to his health status.
What did you say we should do?
You can write officially and
I should write to who?
to the OC, the officer in charge.
Officer in charge of?
Luzira Upper Prisons.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, it is also 5 p.m. He says that he has a script to bring to the attention of the court, and it is my considered view that we don't have that time now, bearing in mind that it is 5 p.m. And in the interest of justice, the accused should be allowed to organize himself. So for that reason, I will adjourn the hearing of this case to tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. And I also direct the Deputy Registrar of this court to write to the OC Luzira Prison, Upper Prison, regarding the health of Mr. Okello. So this matter will come up tomorrow at 9 a.m. and the accused person is further remanded till then. Tomorrow at 9 a.m.